You have arrived at Rimas 2, Luna, La Union. To your left, you can see the beach and Uncle Bob and Teres Beach House. To your right, you can see Christie's Place, and you just go straight until you reach a bamboo door to your right. Walk a little further more, and voila, you're already here. See the sunrise, it's very beautiful. And you enter this bamboo gate. Let's see what awaits you. As you enter the bamboo gate, expect a rustic place with the 5 elements of nature: fire, water, earth, air, and ether. Just a little more and you're already there. Again, to your right is Christie's Place, which is another vacation home. What we expect in Wellness and Fitness in Life La Union is that it houses Jungle Gym La Union, Jungle Aerial Arts Namaste La Union, Secluded Glamping Yoga Samadhi Resort, Pinoy Yoga Pool, Piopo La Union. And we are almost there. Wellness and Fitness in Life La Union is a holistic place for relaxation, energizing, rebooting, meditation, and for fitness. Welcome to Wellness and Fitness in Life La Union. As you enter, on the right is Kubo 1, or the Rejuvenating Kubo, and as you go straight forward, you will see the poles on the left, and that is the entrance, and some hammocks over there. Aside from outdoor fitness, we also have exercise tools. We also have outdoor showers, and there you go, a bonfire. There is a big courtyard and backyard where you can hold yoga classes and even ballroom dance classes. So this is our Kubo 1, Wellness and Fitness in Life Rejuvenating Kubo. It can house 4 and above persons. It can be for a family or a barkada from 4 to 10. Don't underestimate the fans. At night, it can get very chilly. So make sure you bring your cardigan or your sweater with you. Other than that, all else